Hello, this is Jim McConnell coming to you from Redmond, Oregon at LEHQ, and we are today talking about pigments. So pigments used in nail products or any other cosmetic product. Why do they fade? So the FDA or the EU regulations, as well as a lot of Asian countries, Australia, all regulate what pigments we can use in cosmetics. Some countries allow us to use certain pigments in cosmetics for nail products that are different from those used in, say, eyeshadow, lipstick, blush, that kind of thing. But for nail product specific pigments, what we're looking at is organic pigments. The ones that we're allowed to use typically are attacked by oxidation, and the oxidation of those pigments makes the color fade. So what we try to do is make sure that we stabilize it as much as possible, because the longevity of how long these pigments are worn on the fingernails makes it completely different than, say, lipstick. I know when I put lipstick on, no. But when I put anything on, or if Leslie puts something on and it's used on the face, the eyes, those are usually gone within a couple hours. But with your fingernails that are there for weeks and weeks, and over that week-long period, it's going to fade a little bit. So is it fair that we have to use the same pigments on fingernails that are encased in plastic that you'd also use on your eyes or your lips? Probably not. But in order to comply with regulations, we have to use these pigments. So we do what we can to make them as color safe and color stable as possible. But at the same time, we have our limitations, and we try to abide by those limitations. So we apologize for color fading up front. However, we are just doing what we can to make sure that we have pretty colors that last as long as possible on your fingernails. If you have any questions about those things, reach out to us, ask us, and we will be happy to answer your questions. This is Jim McConnell saying goodbye and farewell from Redmond, Oregon at LEHQ. Have yourself a fine day.